Farah, and I will be representing my group in presenting about the topic that we have searched up for our project, which is statistic of road accident involving minor and fatal injury in Malaysia. So there is two other of my teammates which is involved, Nur Syazwani and Ahmad Zuhari. They were taking part of this project as well. So in this part, in our presentation here, we involve like 4 data analysis set, which is hypothesis, correlation test, regression test, and chi-square test to prove on the studies made. Okay, so hereby is the data set. From here, it contains 3 different variables used in different ways to complete the analysis. So as you can see, the variable, we have vehicle accidents, year, injuries, and then we have certified within quantitative or qualitative, and then the description and analysis method. This is how we found out about it. And hold on. Alright, okay, so the hypothesis. From the hypothesis, regarding the surveys that we have selected, survey made regarding the number of vehicles involved with Malaysia from 2010 to 2019. So we are focusing on 2019, and is among the 9 vehicles that involved, we selected one, which is the motorcycle, and we make a calculation about it. We check on the confidence value, we check on the standard deviation, mean, and more. So from here, we found out that the null hypothesis is rejected because the value is somehow much more higher than the critical value. Alright. Next is descriptive analysis. So descriptive analysis is done on the fatal and injury side. So we can see that there is a fatal, severe, like, and total, everything on that. And from here, we can see that the summarized data shows the mean, median, and mode of value of the data set. Overall data is here. Okay. And this is type of injuries when we integrated it into the bar chart. So this is how it come out. And next is the correlation analysis. So correlation analysis is an analysis tool that we use to test the relationship between variables and to measure how strong is the relationship between one and another. So from here, it will show the variable have a strong positive or negative value, but from the studies that we have made, it is shown that the positive because it goes up accordingly. And the correlation value just now, it shows how strong the relationship is. Alright, so this is correlation analysis, and this is the calculations that we have made. And next is the regression test. Regression test is statistical method that we use to analyze and understand the relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. So regression is used to predict the value dependent variable based on the independent variable. So the value is actually coming from the independent variable value. So this is what we have made in the R program, and this is the scatter plot that come out after we make up the calculations. And next is the ANOVA, is the last method that we included in here, which is a statistical method to determine the quality of 3 or more sample variance, because our data set contains a lot of data. So ANOVA is very helping, and this by testing for significance difference between the sample means. So from here, we have made a correlation in the program, and the result also come out nicely, and it has been inserted into the report. So yeah, I guess that's all. Thank you.